Now, today we discuss about P-series test. The P-series, which is given by summation of 1 upon n to the power p, when sum is from n equal to 1 to infinity, which is equal to, if you put n equal to 1, we get the first term 1 upon 1 to the power p. If you put n equal to 2, 1 upon 2 to the power p plus 1 upon 3 to the power p plus 1 upon 4 to the power p, and so on. So in this manner, we are able to write down the P series. This is called P series. Now, we have already seen that this series is convergent if P is greater than 1 and divergence if P is less than or equal to 1. So now here, if any series is given in this form, then that series is called P series. And if we see only simply what is the value of P and observing the value of P, we are able to see that the given series is convergent or divergent. So let me take one example. The question is, states the convergence of the series 1 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 4 up to 1 upon root n and so on. So let us try to solve this question. The given series is P series. Why it is P series? Because here nth term, which is un, which is written as 1 upon root of n. Now, so root of n is equal, it means that root of n means, it means n to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so now the given series is clearly here. If we compare this series and the given series, this series, value of P is equal to nothing but 1 upon 2. Value of P is nothing but 1 upon 2. So clearly P is equal to 1 upon 2, which is less than 1. Right? So the given series is divergent, as second statement says that if P is less than or equal to 1, then the given series is divergent. So hence by P series test, the given series is divergent. Thank you.